Hi, I'm Michael Voto. I use my phone and Netduino Plus to open my garage. On the table are the parts that I have used: a garage door opener, Netduino Plus, soldering iron, and a wire stripper. Here's the spare garage remote. This is the component inside the garage remote. Notice I have soldered a small wire on the back to make the switch always on the on position. This is the Netduino unit. My phone communicates via TCP/IP. Netduino is an open source electronic platform using the .NET micro framework. Here we have a screenshot of the code used. Later on, I plan to create a step-by-step cookbook so you can recreate this project. I will close now my garage door. After the right credentials are received, the Netduino will lit up a blue light as it sends a 3-volt signal to the hardwire garage door opener. Please notice the blue light as the Netduino actuates.